from the darkness, from the pain, once so wounded, filled with shame. Yet through Jesus, love broke through, hearts restored and made anew. Renovatum, our hearts renewed through Jesus Christ, His grace and truth. Renovatum, we are restored, forever living for the Lord. Wounded hearts now called to care, guided daily through each prayer. Once in sorrow, now we sing, serving Christ our risen King. Renovatum, our hearts renewed through Jesus Christ, His grace and truth. Renovatum, we are restored, forever living for the Lord.